Chief Minister Conrad Sangma had inaugurated the rural market complex at Sohiong on the 31st of March 2022 in the presence of Minister CNRD Hamletson Dohling, MLA Sohiong Samlin Malngiang and MLA Sohra Gavin Mylliem. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister expressed his happiness at the inauguration of the rural market, which he says will greatly benefit the farmers, and added that the government has always endeavoured to extend support and assistance to farmers by adding value to their products and by having better access to markets to sell their products for better prices. He therefore urged upon the Sohiong, the farmers and villagers of the area to utilize the rural market in the best possible way for the benefit of the farmers and village of Sohiong in general. The Sohiong Rural Market Complex is funded by the NEC and Basin, and the complex has 112 stalls with facilities for cold storage and parking. It will cover about 200 villages from Sohiong, Nongspung, Nongklau, Mylliem and Mauplang. During the event, the Chief Minister also distributed Rs 47,75,000 to 73 producer groups under the Focus Programme.
Friends, agriculture and farming is primary to our state. More than 70% of our population depends on agriculture and farming. And therefore, it is imperative and very important for any government to ensure that we give the support, we give the assistance to our farmers so that they can increase their production, so that they can get better pricing for their product, so that they can get better market accessibility, so that they can add better value to their products, so that they can package their products better, so that they can ultimately sell their products to better market and better buyers. Therefore, realizing that farmers face a large number of challenges, this NDA government has started many programs in many fronts to support the farmer in every possible way that we can think of.
The Chief Minister also announced that a waste collection vehicle that would be funded under the CMSDF and under the Swachh Bharat mission for waste disposal will be provided for the area. While speaking about sports, Conrad Sangma added that Sohiong village has been producing many promising sports persons and therefore a sports stadium would be constructed in the area. He also informed that an amount of Rs 3 crores is earmarked for improving the block infrastructure in Sohiong.
The first one was regarding the waste collection vehicle. I would like to inform you that I will be happy to provide this from the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund. I would just require the quotation and necessary documents. So somebody from my office will be in touch through our local MLA, will be in touch with you to ensure that this is done at the earliest. And also regarding a proper system of waste disposal, I have already discussed with the Deputy Commissioner and she told me that this is very much possible through the Swachh Bharat mission program, and therefore whatever necessary support, whatever necessary funds are required to ensure that you have a proper waste disposal system.